What's going on, guys? Angelo here. Welcome to Around the Track. This is where we talk about all the hot and new things going on within the coaster community. Today I've got some exciting news coming out of Busch Gardens Tampa, and I'm happy to announce that Iron Gwazi's track is finally complete, and that means testing is about to begin. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Take a look at this quick footage that they released of them putting in the final piece of track, and I think you all are really gonna like this, so check it out.
Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.
As you all saw for that video, I don't know if that got you hyped, but it definitely got me hyped, and I am so excited for this coaster. I can't wait to ride this thing in November. I'll be down there probably for IAPA, but I'll definitely hit this park up for sure. I cannot wait to ride this thing. Yeah, they one-up Steel Vengeance, but hey, the stall looks amazing, those outward bank turns and whatnot. Sadly, the park has never released a POV for this coaster, although shout out to AmusementInsider. He created a POV with the no limits, so shout out to him. If you want to check out the full video, I'll leave it in the link in the description below. Now, we don't have an official opening for this coaster yet, but I imagine now that track's complete and everything, they basically got most of the theming done for this ride as well. So I imagine it could be opening honestly in probably April. If I'm correct, it is scheduled to open spring 2020. Same thing for Pantheon. Pantheon should be honestly opening up very soon. Busch Gardens opening day will actually be next Sunday, so I'm very excited for that. I will try to get there. I know member preview is this Saturday, so I'll definitely head down and try to get some footage for you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. And until next time, you guys, peace out.